Navigating difficult conversations. At some point in life, everyone faces difficult conversations. These are talks that feel uncomfortable, emotional, or challenging. They might happen with family, friends, teachers, colleagues, or even strangers. A difficult conversation can be about problems, disagreements, or sensitive topics. Many people avoid these talks because they are afraid of conflict, but learning how to handle them is an important part of self-development and building healthy relationships. The first step in navigating difficult conversations is preparation. Before you speak, take time to think about what you want to say. Ask yourself, what is the main problem? What is my goal in this talk? How can I express my feelings clearly? Preparation helps you enter the conversation calmly instead of with sudden emotions. The second step is listening. Many times, people only focus on their own side and forget to listen. But true communication is not just about speaking, it is about understanding. When you listen carefully, you show respect. You may also discover that the other person's feelings are different from what you expected. Listening helps to find common ground. Another important part is using I statements instead of you statements. For example, instead of saying, "You never listen to me," you can say, "I feel sad when I am not heard." This small change can reduce defensiveness. It makes the other person more open to hearing your perspective. During difficult conversations, it is important to stay calm. Strong emotions like anger or frustration can make the problem worse. If you feel yourself getting upset, take a deep breath. Sometimes, pausing for a few seconds helps you think more clearly. A calm tone of voice can keep the conversation respectful, even when the topic is serious. Another key is showing empathy. Empathy means trying to understand how the other person feels. Even if you do not agree, you can say, "I see this is important to you," or "I understand that this makes you upset." Empathy builds trust and makes the other person feel valued. In addition, remember the power of compromise. Not every conversation will end with one person getting exactly what they want. Often, both sides need to give a little and meet in the middle. Compromise is not weakness. It is a way to keep peace and build stronger relationships. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the conversation may still be tense. In these moments, it can help to take a break. Say, "Let's pause and continue this later." Time apart allows emotions to cool down. When both people return, they may be more ready to talk constructively. It is also important to focus on solutions, not blame. Instead of saying, "This is all your fault," try asking, "How can we fix this together?" Focusing on solutions moves the conversation forward, while blame keeps it stuck in the past. Another helpful tool is body language. Your words matter, but your face, posture, and gestures also send messages. Crossing arms, rolling eyes, or raising your voice may create distance. Instead, keep open body language, make eye contact, and nod when the other person speaks. This shows respect and openness. Finally, remember that difficult conversations are a natural part of life. Avoiding them may create bigger problems later. Facing them with patience, respect, and honesty makes relationships stronger. Even if the conversation does not end perfectly, the effort to communicate shows maturity and courage. In conclusion, navigating difficult conversations is a valuable skill. It requires preparation, listening, calmness, empathy, compromise, and a focus on solutions. With these tools, what once felt like a heavy problem can become a chance for deeper understanding. Every time you practice these skills, you grow in confidence and wisdom.